Okay, so we have part 2 of top 50 most common verbs in Lithuanian language, and let's just immediately start with the first sentence, the first word, like. Okay, so how would you say to drive or to go by car or a bus? To drive or to go by a car or a bus? That would be važiuoti. Važiuoti, right? Važiuoti. So now, where are you going by car? Where are you going? Kur tu važiuoji, right? Kur tu važiuoji. Tu važiuoji, right? Kur tu važiuoji. To come back would be grįžti. Grįžti, to come back. Grįžti, right? Grįžti. So now, when will you come back? When will you come back? When will you come back? Kada grįši or kada tu grįši, right? Kada grįši or kada tu grįši. To say or to tell is pasakyti. 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 So what happened? What happened would be kas nutiko, right? Kas nutiko. What happened? Kas nutiko. So can you tell me what happened? If you have to press pause as always, how would you say, can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Ar gali pasakyti, kas nutiko? Ar gali pasakyti, kas nutiko? Ar gali pasakyti, kas nutiko? So now to listen is klausyti, klausytis. So klausytis is more of a reflexive, but it's kind of similar. It's the same almost thing. So to listen, klausyti, klausytis. Klausyti, klausytis. So I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. That would be man patinka klausytis or klausyti muzikos. Man patinka klausytis, klausyti muzikos. Man patinka klausytis or klausyti muzikos. I like to listen to music. Man patinka klausytis muzikos. To look for or to search is ieškoti. Ieškoti. So I am looking for my friend. I am looking for my friend. How would you say this one? I am looking for my friend. So that is aš ieškau savo draugo or draugės if it's a female friend. Aš ieškau savo draugo, aš ieškau savo draugės. Aš ieškau savo draugo, aš ieškau savo draugės. To sit would be sėdėti. Sėdėti, to sit, sėdėti, right? Sėdėti. So now to stand would be stovėti. So sėdėti, to sit, to stand, stovėti. 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 So do not stand there, sit down. So there would be ten. So how would you say, do not stand there, sit down? Or don't stand there, sit down. Nestovėk ten, atsisėsk. Nestovėk ten, sėdėk, you could even say, right? So if you said atsisėsk, it's more of a like, do the action of sitting down. Sėdėk means like keep on sitting, but it can actually mean like start sitting down as well, but it's more like direct, like you're actually ordering somebody to do that. So do not stand there, sit down. Nestovėk ten, atsisėsk, or nestovėk ten, sėdėk. Nestovėk ten, sėdėk. To run is bėgti or bėgioti. So bėgti just means to run. Bėgioti means to go for a run, like an activity, like casually running. So bėgti, bėgioti. Bėgti, bėgioti, right? Bėgti, bėgioti. To dance is šokti. Šokti, right? Šokti. So I like to dance. I like to dance is man patinka šokti. Man patinka šokti. I like to dance. Man patinka šokti. Man patinka šokti. I don't like to sing. I don't like to sing. Man nepatinka dainuoti. Man nepatinka dainuoti, you would say. I don't like to sing. Man nepatinka dainuoti. Man nepatinka dainuoti. So now to sell is parduoti. Parduoti. To sell. Parduoti. 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 So will you sell me your car? Will you sell me your car? That would be ar parduosi man savo automobilį? Ar parduosi man savo automobilį? Ar parduosi man savo automobilį? To finish or to end is pabaigti, baigti, finišuoti, right? Pabaigti, baigti, finišuoti. To finish, to end. Pabaigti, baigti, finišuoti. All of these are correct, right? So pabaigti has a prefix. Baigti also means to end. Finišuoti means like to finish, actually. So I will finish my work at 7. How would you say I will finish my work at 7? Aš baigsiu darbą 7. Aš baigsiu darbą 7. Aš baigsiu darbą 7. To change is keisti. Keisti. It could be pasikeisti, pakeisti. Pasikeisti means to change yourself. It's a reflexive verb. Pakeisti has a prefix, more of a completion of action, but that's just the action of changing. Keisti. To change, keisti. Now, don't ever change. Don't ever change. So you will have double negative in Lithuanian. Don't ever change. Niekada nesikeisk. Niekada nesikeisk, right? Niekada nesikeisk. Niekada nesikeisk. To celebrate is švęsti. Švęsti, to celebrate, švęsti. So let's celebrate Christmas together. Let's celebrate Christmas together. Švęskime Kalėdas kartu. So it's imperative, right? Švęskime Kalėdas kartu. Let's celebrate Christmas together. Švęskime Kalėdas kartu. Švęskime Kalėdas kartu. Švęskime Kalėdas kartu. To believe would be tikėti. Tikėti. To believe, tikėti. So now, I believe you. I believe you. That would be aš tavimi or tavim, tikiu. Both of these are correct. Both of those are used. Tavimi and tavim. So tavim is sort of a shortening, but it's especially used in spoken language, which is what we're learning here, spoken Lithuanian, right? So I believe you, aš tavimi or tavim tikiu. Aš tavimi tikiu, aš tavim tikiu. Yeah, so either aš tavimi tikiu or aš tavim tikiu. To create would be kurti. Kurti. You can add prefix, you can say sukurti if you want to add completion. Can you create a website for me? So this is where you would add a prefix. Can you create a website for me? That would be ar gali sukurti man tinklalapį? Tinklalapį. That's a website. So basically that's tinklas is a web and lapas is a page, so it's a web page you're basically saying, but it's a website. Can you create a website for me? Ar gali sukurti man tinklalapį? Ar gali sukurti man tinklalapį? Ar gali sukurti man tinklalapį? To understand is suprasti. Suprasti. So, I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand would be atsiprašau, aš nesuprantu. Atsiprašau, aš nesuprantu. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Atsiprašau, aš nesuprantu. Atsiprašau, aš nesuprantu. The answer is atsakyti. 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 So answer me would be atsakyk man. Atsakyk man. You can also be to reply. It can also be atsakyk man. Reply me. Reply to me. So answer me atsakyk man. Atsakyk man. Atsakyk man. Now to raise or to lift is kelti, or you can add a prefix pakelti, right, as well. So to raise, to lift, kelti, kelti, kelti. So to call or to phone would be skambinti. Also, you can add prefix pa and say paskambinti, right? Skambinti, skambinti. So now she called me yesterday. She called me yesterday. That would be ji skambino man vakar, or ji paskambino man vakar. In this situation, both of these would definitely be correct. So she called me yesterday, ji skambino man vakar, ji paskambino man vakar. Both of these work here. To grow or to raise would be augti, that's to grow. And now to raise is auginti, because these are separate actions, separate verbs. So augti, to grow, to raise, auginti, auginti. So my child is growing really fast. My child is growing really fast would be mano vaikas auga labai greitai. Mano vaikas auga labai greitai. Mano vaikas auga labai greitai. I am raising 2 kids. I am raising 2 kids would be aš auginu 2 vaikus. This is separate verb, right? Auginu. Aš auginu 2 vaikus. I'm raising 2 kids. Aš auginu 2 vaikus. Aš auginu 2 vaikus. Aš auginu 2 vaikus. To cry would be verkti. Verkti. So comfort her, she is crying. So to comfort is paguosti, or guosti without prefix, but usually paguosti. So comfort her, she is crying would be paguosk ją, ji verkia. Paguosk ją, ji verkia. Comfort her, she is crying. Paguosk ją, ji verkia. Paguosk ją, ji verkia. Paguosk ją, ji verkia, right? Awesome. Now, to laugh is juoktis. 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 So laughing is healthy. You would say juoktis sveika, or you can say yra sveika. Juoktis yra sveika. That's juoktis is a reflexive verb. Juoktis. Laughing is healthy. Juoktis yra sveika, or just juoktis sveika. Juoktis sveika. Juoktis sveika. To smile is šypsotis. 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 So you need to smile more. You need to smile more. Tau reikia daugiau šypsotis. Tau reikia daugiau šypsotis, right? Tau reikia daugiau šypsotis. So let's end our top 50 most common Lithuanian verbs, part 2, with this one, with a good verb, right? If you want more phrases, more words, I have a free audio and PDF book. You can find it in the description. You can find it in the pinned comment, the first one. So just be sure to download it. It's my free gift to you just for learning with me. And yeah, I hope it was interesting and useful. And I will see you in the future videos, future lessons. Bye.